2, 1, action. Ciao my friends! Today we are in Como to photograph a destination engagement session. I really want to see how I deeply connect with my couple and how the relationship is everything to have amazing photos. Boom! Going to introduce with you the BFF method, which yes, it is like best friend forever with your couple, but also it is something that is really deep inside my style of photography, which means bold, fashion and fun. These three elements are what I am in life and what my ideal clients, my couple, are in their life. To photograph today, I use my Canon camera mirrorless R5 with my super lens Canon 2870 2.0, and in case I need, I always add the flash. And everything we do today, take your time, no run. And okay, stop here. I love this background. So maybe you're going to walk forward and grab our hands and walk together, and maybe at some point, oh, this light, maybe at some point I call you two guys, turn and look at me, natural, boom.
If we both turn in the way.
I call when I call you.
Yeah.
Okay.
You walk first. Yeah.
No, together. Yeah, together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, walk. Perfect. Keep walking. And now turn and look at me. Ciao. Perfect. Amazing. And turn. Done. We are done today. Done. You, portrait. And start to walk to me. Walk towards me. Take your time. And don't look at me. Look towards this side. So I have this background, Italian background. Okay. So you're going to be a little bit step forward.
Okay.
Brava.
Cool. Okay.
You get it? Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Fantastic. Perfect. Both again, look to this side. Amazing. Maybe grab him. No, wait a second. Maybe grab him like around the, like okay. This. Brava.
Yeah.
Rings.
Oh.
Show me. Even, I mean, you can do like this too.
Okay.
I usually say no, but you can do everything you want.
Okay.
See, you can do this
What,
because...
that's in my pocket.
Non lo so, I think I like it because I love those rings, so you can do that too. Che belli. See. See, and maybe when you do that at the end, you can do like end it up with a kiss.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I change it to 24 millimeter because I want to have a wide shot. I want to see them, but I want to see the background. This is why we choose this amazing street and remember Italy for this reason. Amazing. I come closer. And now look at me. Perfect. Let's change a little bit position, so maybe hands by hands. And again, oh, maybe you can hold him like this.
Yeah.
And while you do that, look a bit on the side.
Yeah.
And you walk towards me. See. Oh, I love that too. Sorry. My God. Look at me. Both look at me. And can you kiss her on the forehead? Wow, perfect. And now start to walk. I really love to embrace the city vibe. So we choose a little street without people, and we choose a big piazza surrounded by people. Like we are in Italy, there are people, there are bikes, there are more people and tourists, and we love that. We love that because they are part of the story to tell of the day. The beauty of photograph also in the city is that, especially now, is almost sunset, so you have a magical light coming through the buildings, and we use again that to create a romantic moment. This light is meant for romance between them two, and we use it, and now the couple change, and we're going to be ready for the second part of our photo shoot. Now we're going to use the flash because, as you can see in Lake Como, here is in shade and the sun is there. And the only way that I can keep her in a full light and keep the mountain behind is by using the flash. Let's do it. Bella, bellissima. Oh, the birds behind. And open the jacket and close it. And when you do that, bravo, look towards the lake, fantastico. Now look at me. Mamma mia, mamma mia. Anna, that you look at me like this. Fantastico. That's amazing. What I'm doing here? Oh, okay, this is perfect. I just move you a little bit in the middle. Fantastic. Amazing. Look at each other. And maybe Eva, you want to put your brava. And you want to kiss her delicately. Fantastic. Stay there, stay there. And now, can you both look towards this side? You guys, when I shut up, it means that it's perfect. Bravi, brava. And bring him close to you, bring him close to you, bring him close. Fantastic. Look at him, telling him how much you like him, because you are an amazing couple. Bravo, one last like this. Done. Done. Bravi. Bravi, bravi. So we wrap up this session. The couple did fantastic, as you're going to see through this video. We ended up with a lake view because, of course, we are in Lake Como and we want to see that view. Remember, the background is very important if you want to become a destination wedding photographer. And now it's time for dinner.